Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and this video today we're going to cover how to change the Aspen Casement tape. Okay, today's video we're going to go on how to replace the tape on an Aspen casement, and that is designed to operate the locking mechanism on the unit. And there's a variety of different reasons why it may need to be replaced. It could have got damage in installation, things happen, it may wear out. So this video will show you how to actually get in and change it. And some of the specialty tools you'll need is a torque driver, and that way you don't over torque the nut that holds the hook in place. And you preset it to 9 inch-pounds, and a Phillips head screwdriver, and also a nut drive to remove the tape. So those are the specialty tools that you'll need. You can get away with these on a job site. Nowadays, a lot of times you'll use a cordless driver. It speeds up the process. So these are the parts you're going to need to do the job. First thing you do is unlock it and then open the unit. Now, to expose the tape and all the necessary things you have to remove to get to the tape, you have to pull the sill cover off, the head cover off, and then that will expose the tape and the hook guide. Remove tape cutters. And something that I normally recommend too is we have a small container, so in between breaks somebody doesn't come and sweep it away. You'll use a cordless driver. You loosen the nut drive, disconnect the tape at the connector, remove corner drive, pull out the old tape. Okay, so once you slide the new tape inside the corner drive, you want to place the corner drive in the corner. And one of the things you want to keep in mind if you're using a screw gun or an impact driver, you don't want to strip these screws because they've already been installed, so it's already pre-threaded. So a hand screwdriver actually is the best tool to use, so you don't over torque and strip your threads out. And now we align our tape, and once you get them locked in, torque it back down, 9 inch-pounds. I'm reapplying the covers, the tape cutters. And it's critical to have the cover on there, otherwise the tape can buckle and affect the operation of the unit. If it's 42 inches or above, you're going to have multiple locks or keepers. If you had multiple locks, you have 3 different grooves in this. You'd start the bottom hook at the bottom of it. The second lock or hook would be at the middle, and then the top hook would be at the top line. And that way it would act as a zipper effect as you were locking the unit. And 9 inch-pounds. Okay. Sill cover and head cover. And you're ready to go. Thank you for watching our video. And for additional information and resources, please visit our website.